I'm Samantha Isabel Tabuhara, and this is my life as a tourism student at UE Manila.
I am currently a second-year student taking up the course Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. My journey as a tourism warrior has been a whirlwind of challenges and moments of pure joy. I've encountered experiences that made me feel like I'm a step closer to reaching my dreams, such as the hotel familiarization tour, a remarkable immersion into the world of hospitality. During this tour, we delved into the intricate workings of a restaurant and bar, where seasoned professionals enlightened us about the nuances of drinks and cuisine. Our stay at the Crimson Hotel was a highlight, granting us a night of sheer delight, cocooned in comfort within our cozy rooms, indulging in the pool, and much more. Moreover, exploring historical sites like Intramuros has been an enlightening escapade. One unexpected yet thrilling experience was joining the Warriors Cup Kasuotang Pinoy last October. What began as a spontaneous decision turned into an unexpectedly victorious moment, winning the Best Kasuotang Pinoy Award. And just recently, I had the task of conducting a video interview with the front office personnel. It was a great opportunity because I got to understand in depth about how it really is in the industry. Beyond these extracurricular adventures, our professors provide activities that significantly contribute to shaping my future endeavors. Despite the challenges, I remain profoundly grateful for their unwavering support and dedication to nurturing our potential. Not only am I a proud tourism student at UE, but I'm also an active member of the UE Silanganan Dance Troupe. Balancing academics and dance training is a challenge. Attending classes 4 days a week and dedicating 3 days to dance rehearsals, which often extended due to performances, and having the rest of the days focused on finishing tasks, studying, and finding the balance to also go out and have fun like a normal human being. This requires a tremendous effort. At some point in reality, there were sleepless nights, mental breakdowns, days where I couldn't go out and have fun, and so much more. But every time these things happen, one thing I can only think of is that I'm doing this for my future. Juggling the demands of academics alongside my commitment as a member of UE Silanganan Dance Troupe and also being a scholar has proven to be an incredibly challenging but immensely fulfilling journey. Every day, I navigate this balance with the unwavering support of my loving family who stand by me, providing the support and resources I need to thrive in both spheres of my life. Moreover, my boyfriend plays a huge role in my journey. His unwavering support, constant assistance, and thoughtful gestures like making sundo whenever possible significantly alleviate the challenges of commuting back home after a long day of balancing academic and dance troupe responsibilities. My boyfriend also keeps me motivated, and he is always the one I can lean on to, and my #1 fan as well. He is always present in my extracurricular activities and performances in UE Silanganan Dance Troupe. He is also the one who saw me cry through those sleepless nights I've been. Additionally, the encouragement I receive from my friends, spanning from classmates to fellow UE SDT members, serve as an indispensable source of strength. Their understanding, shared experiences, and support create a nurturing environment that helps me overcome hurdles and keeps me motivated on this demanding yet fulfilling path. These people collectively form a support system that empowers me to thrive despite the challenges, propelling me forward in both my academic and extracurricular pursuits.
My life as a tourism student here at UE Manila has been an incredible, fun, and challenging journey. But I am very grateful and appreciative of the opportunities that come my way, each one contributing to my growth and making me a step closer to my dreams. Once again, I'm Samantha Isabel Tabuhara. Thank you for witnessing my documentary. Vamos Turismo!